Welcome to Flow with Shreya. I'm Shreya, and today I want to talk to you about the benefits of yoga during pregnancy. I've been practicing yoga for over a decade now, and I've been certified to teach Vinyasa and Yin Yoga for years, and I recently got certified to teach prenatal and postnatal yoga. But more than my certifications, I can also speak to my personal experience going through 2 pregnancies where I continued to practice yoga. Even before my pregnancies and having kids, I learned so much because of yoga. Yoga has led me on a path of living a mindful life and taught me so much about being intentional with the way I live my life. Yoga has also changed my relationship with my physical body as well as my mental space. Most importantly, yoga has also taught me to let go of what does not serve me. And this comes in really handy when it comes to pregnancy and postpartum. It was really important for me to continue practicing yoga throughout both of my pregnancies. However, my practice looked a lot different during my first pregnancy from pre-pregnancy, and it looked even more different during my second pregnancy compared to my first pregnancy. So I'll go over all of that, but I really want to talk about all the benefits I found by practicing yoga during both pregnancies. So some of the ways my practice was different during my pregnancies was I was taking a lot of modifications. Of course, I was avoiding postures that didn't work for my growing body and changing body, and I was also avoiding postures that are generally contraindicated for pregnancy. I was also practicing less yin yoga, and even when I was practicing a little bit of yin, it was very toned back. In my first pregnancy, I still was practicing vinyasa and I was also teaching in person. During my second pregnancy, I would say my physical asana practice took a big step back just because I was already running around with a toddler and I was focusing on other priorities. But my mindfulness practice, my meditation practice, and just using postures to stretch and help my body move and connect with my body was way more important to me during that second pregnancy. So now let me move on to the 5 main benefits of yoga during pregnancy. The first one is breath. One of the most important things I learned through my yoga teacher training, through my wonderful teachers, is the saying, if you're breathing, you are successful. This is so helpful when it comes to pregnancy, especially on those tougher days when you really don't feel like doing anything, you're really tired, or you're just having one of the harder days during pregnancy. I said this to myself all the time. If you're breathing, you are successful. Come back to your breath, anchor yourself in your breath, and you can get through anything. There are so many changes that come about every single day during pregnancy, and each pregnancy is different as well. So you can't always expect what's going to happen. And in order to let go of these expectations or to deal with the discomforts, the hormonal mood changes, whatever pregnancy throws at you as you are growing a new life, you can come back to your breath. The second benefit is movement. Now, it seems pretty apparent that yoga, asana, movement all go hand in hand. It can really help with the aches and pains of your growing body and your growing baby. It can also just make you feel good, give you that boost of energy you need. And sometimes some slow, simple movement on your mat is all you can do. And that's great. Coming to my mat to practice even 5 minutes of yoga really helped me keep my body moving throughout both pregnancies. And even if I wasn't specifically coming to a mat and practicing a flow, I could just do some postures or use some stretches throughout the day to really ease some discomforts and keep my body moving. The third benefit is learning to listen to your body. As I mentioned before, yoga really helped me connect to my own body and to learn how to listen to my inner wisdom and to learn when to take a step back and rest and when to push myself forward. This is also important in order to avoid injuries. One big thing that also changes with pregnancy is your balance and your center of gravity. So as those changes happen, you really need to be able to tune in and listen to your body, because you might not be able to do the exact same things you were able to prior to being pregnant. And even if you are doing the same things, you want to do them more mindfully. Listening to your body isn't only important when it comes to the physical realm of movement and fitness and practicing yoga, but it's also important when it comes to nutrition, listening to your body's hunger cues. It also is important in terms of getting rest. It's also important in terms of your mindset and mental space. So really being able to be in tune with all of the parts of your body and your life and acting accordingly, stepping back, saying no to things, all of those things are really helpful during pregnancy that can be learned on your mat and taken off your mat. The fourth benefit of yoga during pregnancy is relaxation. Many prenatal yoga classes are designed to promote relaxation and be restorative, and those are some of the things you gravitate towards during this time of rest and growth and change. It can be hard to relax in this modern world when you feel like you have to be productive, you have to keep going, you have to multitask and do so many things at once. And yoga really helped me take a step back to slow down and relax, whether it was a meditation or whether it was a practice, whether it was just actually practicing relaxation, slowing down, and mindfulness in day-to-day tasks. The relaxation skills I learned, from breathing techniques to mindset shifts, all came in handy during my pregnancy. The fifth benefit of yoga during pregnancy is strength. As much as yoga can be relaxing and slow, you can incorporate a lot of strength and balance work as well. And this isn't just physical. You can also work on your mental strength and balance and focus, which you'll need not only through your pregnancy, but especially during labor. So you can use some of these strengthening postures and uncomfortable positions to learn how to use your breath to make it through, and then you can use those skills when you're in labor. The physical aspect of strength also includes pelvic floor and core work, which you can incorporate into strengthening yoga practices as well. Keeping your pelvic floor and core strong and stable will really help as your body grows and also in recovery after you give birth. So yoga has physical and mental benefits when it comes to pregnancy. And whether you've been practicing for years and years or you are just beginning your practice of yoga, I highly encourage you to incorporate yoga in your pregnancy. You can find local prenatal yoga classes or online prenatal yoga classes like here on my channel to practice and gain mental and physical strength as well as flexibility. If you have any specific questions about yoga during pregnancy, be sure to leave them in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer or direct you towards some resources. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to click the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Also be sure to share this video so others can find the beneficial information as well. If you share it on social media, be sure to tag me at Flow with Shreya. If you want to practice some prenatal yoga with me, check out this playlist right here. I'll be adding more videos and building on this playlist in the upcoming months. You can also find vinyasa, relaxing, and yin yoga videos on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining me. Namaste.